Invest in a heat spray, which I will get into just now, obviously, and my voice is going away. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Life with Sina. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Over here we talk all things productivity, life and fitness. And in today's video I am finally going to be filming this, which I've been meaning to for a very long time, showing you guys how I curl my hair. I've been asked quite a few times how the hell I curl my hair to get it looking like this, and today is just a bonus because instead of just showing you how I curl my hair, I'm going to show you how I curl and style my greasy gym hair. So obviously if you're going to gym basically 4 to 5 to 6 times a week, your hair is going to be dirty and you cannot wash your hair every single day. So I try and only wash my hair once a week, and because of that obviously my hair is really greasy because, you know, of the sweat and everything from gym every morning, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but you do what you gotta do, you know. My best friend for my hair is my curling iron and my dry shampoo. By curling my hair, it like refreshes my hair and makes it look clean. This is 3-day-old hair. Without me rambling on with my really croaky voice, let's get straight into this video. Before I actually get started, let me find out what type of curling iron this is, because I had this for such a long time. I have no idea. I can't find this curling iron anywhere. Shit. It's a Sublime Touch Babylus. I don't know which one it is. And it's not the really small one. It's like the medium size. I think it's a 16 millimeter. I am not sure, but either way, this is the one that I have been using for a very long time. So first things first, I'm gonna just turn that on. I put it on about 8 just so that it can go a bit quicker, so I don't hold it in my hair too long. My voice sounds so terrible, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna take my hair out of this bun to show you guys that it really is just dirty. Well, not dirty, it's not freshly washed hair. We need to look a bit decent and we don't want our hair to be up in a bun, but we also don't want to wash it because, you know, I have gym the next day anyway, and then it's just gonna be irritating and frustrating. So this is what my hair looks like about 2 or 3 days after I washed. Today's Friday. I washed it on Tuesday, so that's the whole of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So this is about 3-day-old hair. So my two best friends when it comes to this is the Batiste dry shampoo. So I have the dry shampoo in defrizzing, and I have this ordinary dry shampoo. Okay, so this is not good. Why is my throat doing this? Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna brush through my hair, which is probably the worst part because my hair knots really easily for some reason. I'm gonna do this off camera because this might take a while because my hair's been in a bun for 2 days. I feel like this lighting is not working for us today. I don't know, this whole camera setup is not working, but it's fine. We're gonna roll with it. So once my hair is brushed out, I also have the Tresemme heat defense spray. Again, this is like the only heat defense spray I've been using for a very long time. I've never tried a different brand. Yeah. So first things first, what I do is I take the normal dry shampoo, not the defrizzing dry shampoo, just the normal dry shampoo, and I spray that into my hair path over there so that it looks white. We're okay with that because it will go away soon. And yeah, I'm just very generous. Kind of just spray it wherever it needs. So the shitty thing is that when I do wash my hair, most of the time it just goes up in a bun because I'm still working from home, so I don't actually style it that often. But the nice thing is that because my hair is naturally wavy and naturally pretty oily as well, I find that curling my hair looks a lot better on me than straightening my hair, because when I straighten my hair, even if it's clean, it still looks a bit greasy just because it sits flat on my face, which is why I don't straighten my hair that often anymore. And I think curling just gives it a really nice texture. And also, pro tip for all of my greasy hair girls out there like me who washes the hair and the next day the hair is greasy, curling your hair actually makes your hair look cleaner for a lot longer. So if you wash your hair, you dry it, and then you curl it straight after, apparently it has something to do with the oils not being able to like travel right down your hair, because if a curl starts then there's texture to it. I don't know how true that is, but I found, especially when I was going to the office, that curling my hair helped with the greasiness a lot. It like didn't travel that far down. So definitely give that a try. Okay, so I think we're a bit okay now. Now that we're gonna leave that on top there, now I'm gonna take my heat defense spray and I just spray it in. First things first, what I do is I work side by side. So instead of sectioning off like layers, I see people section off, like they do the bottom and then a bit more, and then I just do half, make it quick and easy. So once I've got this split in half like this, then I grab basically all of my front layers like that, so the section looks like this, and then I'm just gonna clip this up quickly. And also pretty. Okay, so now we got this big chunk of hair to work with. Now all I do is I curl away from my face. So this side I will curl the barrel like that way, and this side I'll curl the barrel that way. So the easiest way that I managed to get this right, especially with the curling iron that has a clamp on it, you can see my hair needs a cut. I mean, look at that, look at that. But I think I'm only gonna go and trim my hair and redo my color once we are closer to the wedding, which is literally 4 months away, which is not even a joke anymore. The way I remember this to always get like the direction right is that if I'm looking at the mirror, I make sure that the clamp is facing the mirror. So it's not facing me, it's facing the mirror. And then all I do is, I'm gonna come closer, I clamp, and then while it's clamped, we're not gonna clamp turn that way, we're gonna curl away from the face. And then we spin around, and then I hold it there for a little bit. Okay, and then we pull down again, and then I hold it there for a little bit, and then I this is kind of hard to do when I'm actually on camera. Okay, and then I just pull it down all the way till all the hair's in the clamp, and then I curl up, and then we chill here for a bit. This is where the other trick comes in. Instead of just letting go, I twist it. So if you can see, so basically I twist it off like this, so it makes like a little squiggle in my hair. Okay, and then let go, and that's the curl. You clamp, and then we curl around. It's a bit irritating because my hair is a bit long, and then we hold there. So I'm sure you can see why heat protect is so important right now, because I do hold the heat on my hair for a bit longer, but my hair survived this long, so I think we're good. Okay, and then we still got like a little bit sticking out there, so then I'll just, okay, and we're gonna twist up. Okay, so when I take it off, I don't just unclamp, I twist it off like that. That's what I was trying to show you. And then we pop it off the end. Done. There's no funny clamp on the bottom, it goes into a cute little curl at the bottom, so we don't have any of those funny like kinks at the end of the curl. Also, I do not brush my curl out until the end, because you want it to cool down so that it can actually last a bit longer. Okay, and then this piece we just split into 2 more pieces, and we repeat the process. Now for the front piece, I'm gonna split this in two. You can see that instead of taking the top like that, I am just splitting it in half. Okay, so I'm gonna do literally the exact same thing. Because the piece is shorter, it's actually a bit easier to curl. So same thing. I don't try and not hold this for too long, and I try and hold it up, so like away from my face. You can see I'm like ripping my scalp out there, but I try and hold it away from my face upwards. Okay, and then I don't hold it for too long, and then we're gonna twist off and pop it off like that. So this is what it looks like. For this side, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Like the exact same thing, except I'm going to curl it the other way. Clamp facing, and we're going to curl it away from the face. I think this side is just a bit more awkward to do for me, at least because of the opposite hand. I don't know. Just like that. So I'm gonna do this whole side the exact same way that I did the side, split into like the 2 pieces and then the 4 pieces, and I will be right back with the rest of it curled, I guess. That is, all of the pieces are curled now. Next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my fingers and I'm just going to brush through away from my face like that. Can you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean now? Okay. And we're going to zhuzh it up like that. I love how my adjectives are going right now. And now let's do this side. I don't know why I'm going so high pitched. It's because my throat is a bit sore. COVID, is that you? And this side as well, we're gonna shush it upwards like that. Now we're going to take the dry shampoo, the defrizz one, and now we're going to go crazy with this as well. So then after that, I just basically this is it. The most important thing is making sure that you curl each side away from your face, and you leave the curls to cool down before you break it, which is why it turns out so full like this. And then you just use your hands and you play around with your hair. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is basically how I curl my hair and how I refresh my greasy gym hair every week, basically. Good, and this will take me through to the next 2 days. So now I'll only wash my hair on Sunday. Easy peasy. That's the magic of dry shampoo and a curling iron. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend ahead, or awesome week ahead. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another video from Life with Sina again. And with that, I will see you guys all in my next video. Adios, amigos.